Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Garmin Drive device, and now I'm gonna show you how to update the firmware of your camera. If you will have the available firmware update, you will see in the Garmin Drive application here, firmware update is ready button. Or, of course, you can open the DC Tandem settings, then scroll down. Here you will see the check for updates, and after checking for updates, here you will see the firmware update is ready. And click install. Remain on the screen while the update is in progress. Okay. Click join, so your device, your smartphone, now will reconnect from your normal Wi-Fi to the Garmin's Wi-Fi to establish the stable and fast connection. Wait a while, and cool. As you can see, we have updated the software on this device, so check for updates again, and as you can see, your device is up to date. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.